Dear students, continuing with our lecture series on named reactions, this is our 17th lecture, and in this lecture, we will discuss what is Robinson annulation. So, Robinson annulation is basically a reaction where a new carbon-carbon bond is formed. So here, when cyclohexanones, they are reacted with alpha beta unsaturated ketones, and in the presence of base, they are converted into six membered alpha beta unsaturated ketones. And here, two reactions which take place during the process of conversion of the cyclohexanones into six membered alpha beta unsaturated ketones. One is Michael addition reaction, which is followed by intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. So, Robinson annulation is basically a combination of two organic reactions which are very common, Michael addition followed by aldol condensation. So here the reaction begins as far as the mechanism of this Robinson annulation is concerned. The reaction begins with the removal of this acidic proton which is present at the alpha position to this carbonyl. So this, because of the presence of this carbonyl, this alpha proton becomes very acidic and is easily removed by the base to form an enolate of this type. And this enolate nucleophile then attacks this lactone acceptor, and these lactone acceptors, they are generally alpha beta unsaturated ketones or alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes, and sometimes some alpha beta unsaturated acid derivatives like esters, they can also be used as lactone acceptors. So then this enolate nucleophile adds to this lactone acceptor and undergo 1,2 Michael addition to form these types of intermediates. And these intermediates, they undergo isomerization to give us these types of enolates, and then these enolates, they undergo aldol addition, aldol condensation reaction. So first, this will act as a nucleophile. This carbon will attack this carbon of the carbonyl. So intramolecular aldol addition will take place, and this will lead to the cyclization, and we will get this type of hydroxyketones. So this is alpha position, this is beta position. So beta hydroxyketones, they are formed, and we know that in case of aldol reactions, aldol condensation reactions, the uh, dehydration process is very easy, and because of the presence of this alpha proton, which is very acidic in nature, this can be easily removed by the base, and this will undergo dehydration to give us alpha beta unsaturated six membered cyclic ketones as the product. And this completes the process of Robinson annulation reaction. So this is how cyclohexanones, they can be converted into alpha beta unsaturated six membered ring compounds. And as I have told you, the two reactions, they are typical for the completion of Robinson annulation. First is Michael addition, which is followed by intramolecular aldol addition, followed by dehydration to complete the process. Then this Robinson annulation, the formation of the trans product is favored due to the antiplanar effects of the final aldol condensation in kinetically controlled reactions. So you can see over here the different chair transition states in case of the enolates which are formed after the Michael addition. and these enolates they can undergo the cyclization, intramolecular aldol cyclization step like this to give us these types of products where the formation of the trans product is favored because here the antiplanar effects of the final aldol condensation, because this is a kinetically controlled reaction. Then some of the common examples of Robinson annulation, methyl vinyl ketone when reacts with this type of alkene in presence of BF3 thread and acetic acid. This is a Lewis acid, and in presence of Lewis acid, this protecting group is converted into a ketone. So this will form a ketone, and this will act as a nucleophile which will add to the lactone acceptor, that is methyl vinyl ketone, and through Michael addition this will one to addition of this molecule to this lactone acceptor, this will act as a nucleophile, whereas this will act as an electrophile, and this type of Michael addition product is formed, and this Michael addition product in the presence of a base, then intramolecular cyclocondensation, that is aldol condensation, will take place between these two carbonyl components intramolecularly to give us six-membered alpha beta unsaturated ketones as the product. And the Michael addition followed by intramolecular aldol condensation is called as an Robinson annulation. Similarly, when cyclohexanes they are reacted with hexenones in presence of triplets, they give us Robinson annulation products through two reactions: Michael addition followed by uh, intramolecular aldol condensation to give us these types of alpha beta saturated products. So here this will act as a nucleophile and this will act as an electrophile. So alpha carbonyl from here will attack this carbon of the alpha beta unsaturated ketone, and we will get Michael addition products. Then those Michael addition products they will undergo intramolecular aldol condensation to give us these types of uh, six-membered unsaturated cyclic ketones as the product. Then alpha cyclohexanone reacts with this alpha beta unsaturated ketone in the presence of this base, and we will get six-membered cyclic alpha beta unsaturated ketones as the product. This cyno is also an electron withdrawing group. Carbonyl is also an electron withdrawing group. So because of this, the hydrogen present over here becomes highly acidic because of the presence of these two electron withdrawing groups. And carbanion formed will also become stable because this can not only form the enolate, but this can undergo resonance with this cyno group also. So because of this stabilized nucleophile then attack this electrophilic alpha beta unsaturated component to undergo 1,2 Michael addition reaction, and then the Michael addition product formed will undergo intramolecular aldol condensation to give us these types of products. Then in synthesis of some important biologically active molecules also Robinson annulation can be used as a tool for synthesis of these types of compounds. For example, platency-mycin having this structure, the part of the structure of this compound, which is an antibiotic, which has been discovered recently at Merck Laboratories. This part of the molecule can be synthesized through intramolecular Robinson annulation reactions. So basically, when this type of alpha beta unsaturated ketone and this aldehyde, which is having equivalent structure of this one. So here this will first add to the alpha beta unsaturated ketone to undergo Michael addition reaction in presence of prolines as the catalyst, and then this will undergo intramolecular aldol condensation to give us this type of product in 95% amount, and this then through further steps can be converted into plantancimycin, which is an antibiotic. So this part of the molecule can be synthesized through this intramolecular Robinson annulation reaction. Then asymmetric Robinson annulation reaction has also been seen when we use proline as the catalyst. So when alproline and other chirylamines, they are used as catalyst. This is alproline, and these are substituted chirylamines, derivatives of alproline. So all these they can be used as catalyst for asymmetric Robinson annulation. So for example, when this alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, SNIM is reacted with these types of orthothioldehydes, uh, benzaldehyde, orthothiol, benzaldehyde in presence of proline derivative. This proline derivative act as a catalyst. Then this undergo Robinson annulation to give us chiral thiochromines as the product. So basically here what happens is this alpha beta unsaturated and this aldehyde, they undergo Michael addition first, and then the Michael addition product undergo uh, intramolecular aldol condensation reaction to give us these chiral thiochromines as the product. The mechanism is same as we have seen in case of Robinson annulation. Then alpha beta and saturated aldehydes, they also undergo Robinson annulation reaction, and alproline and trialkylamines, they combination of these two, they are used as catalysts when they are present in 20 to 50 mole percentage. For example, in case of 3-methyl butane 2 enal, when this aldehyde is reacted with this alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, this is aromatic alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, this is aliphatic alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So when these two in presence of alproline, they are used, when then we will get these types of anisotrophic Robinson annulation products. So basically here the product is formed through 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction, and this reaction can be used for the synthesis of biologically active platintin derivative, which is a biologically active product. So this uh, precursor for the formation of this biologically active compound can be synthesized through Robinson annulation of these types of reactions. Then another application is in case of indole derivatives, when three indolenone 2 carboxylates, they are reacted with cyclohexanone, and here this type of chiral thiourea catalyst. So this is thiourea, and this is derivative of thiourea, which is chiral in nature. This chiral catalyst is used in obtaining this type of chiral product having more than 98% of anisomeric access. And diastereo selective nature is that one of the product, diastereo selective product, is formed in 20 times than the other one. So we can synthesize chiral bridged tricyclic hydrocarbazole derivatives. So these are tricyclic chiral bridged hydrocarbazoles as the product through Robinson annulation reactions. And here also the first step again is Michael addition. This will act as a nucleophile because of this proton. Over here is an acidic proton because of the presence of this carbonyl group and this ester group. So this is also electron withdrawing group. This is also electron withdrawing group. And because of that, this proton can be easily removed by the base. That is catalyst used here is thiourea. This will remove this proton, and then this will act as a nucleophile which will add to the cyclohexenone over, and this place to undergo 1 to Michael addition, and then the Michael addition product will undergo intramolecular aldol condensation reaction to give us these types of products. Then, in case of chalcones, also the Robinson annulation reaction can take place. So, chalcone, in presence of alpha fluorobeta ketoesters, they undergo asymmetric synthesis for 6 fluorocyclo 2 in 1 ones. These types of products as major products they are formed, and out of these this diastereomer is formed in 80% yield, and this is formed in 20% yield. And these types of alkaloid amines, chinchona alkaloid amines, they are used as catalyst in these types of reactions. Then Wieland-Mischler and Hajospiria ketones, they can be synthesized when these types of amino acid derivative chiral primary amine is used as a catalyst for Robinson annulation. So here the product formed is asymmetric, and the reaction take place intramolecularly to give us these types of Hajosparish ketones or Wieland-Mischler ketones as the product through Robinson annulation. Then this is also an important reaction where double Robinson type cyclopentene annulation has been achieved through a different type of catalyst. Ferric chloride, hydrated ferric chloride is used as the catalyst in this case. This 1,4-dihydroxy ester will be acting as a nucleophile, and this methyl vinyl ketone will act as an electrophile. And first, the Michael addition product of this type will be formed at both the positions over this position and this position. So double Robinson type Michael addition first take place, and then in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, this will undergo intramolecular cyclization through aldol condensation to give us Robinson annulation products. And this type of Robinson reaction is called as double Robinson type annulation reaction. These are the references which have been consulted for preparing this lecture. Thank you very much.